Hello children, so how are you all? I hope you're doing very well and are safely staying at home. Before I start today's lesson, let me introduce myself. So my name is Mrs. Anita D'Souza from Toddledom Senior KG. So children, today we are going to do something different. Yes, today we are going to do something different. We are not going to take orals. We are starting with the writing. So for that we have to practice cursive pattern. Yes, cursive writing pattern. Okay, because now you have gone to senior KG. So you have to join the letters and write. So let's start. So are you ready? Very good. Now children, as you can see, I have written over here cursive writing pattern. Okay, when we practice the pattern, we will come to know how to write easily. Children, as you can see, this is the red and blue line books. So there are two blue line. Okay, now keep your pencil on your second blue line over here. Okay, now what you have to do, first pattern we are going to write is C pattern. Okay, keep your pencil on the second blue line and then write C. How to write C? Slanting line up, single curve line down, go up, single curve line down, go up, single curve line down, go up, single curve line down. Okay, so this is called as C pattern. See children, I am not lifting my hand. Okay, continuously and slowly I am writing. The same way you have to practice. Do not lift your hand, do not lift your pencil. You know what will happen if you lift your pencil? The flow of writing will go. Okay, then again you will think from where should I start. So it's like a train. So do not lift your hand continuously and till the end of the line. Okay, is it clear? Slanting line up, go up, single curve line down and then up again. Okay, just as you write C, but you have to join and write. The next pattern is A pattern. Okay, A pattern. Just like how we wrote C, the same pattern. Just watch over here. Slanting line up, come down, single curve line, then again go up, touch this blue line and then again slanting line up, single curve line, touch the blue line and then again. Okay, see, slanting line up, single curve line, go up, come down, slanting line up, single curve line and then touch the blue line. Then slanting line up, single curve line, touch the blue line, then again touch the blue line over here. And you have to write between the two blue lines. Okay, you have to write between the two blue lines. So this pattern is called as A pattern. It is called as A pattern. Okay, so if we write this way, it will help us to write our cursive letters very easily, to join and write the letters very easily. We have to write at the end of the line. Okay, now the next is, you know which is the next pattern? The next pattern is E pattern. It is also to write between the two blue lines. You can see the two blue lines? Yes, we have to write between the two blue lines. Keep your pencil on the second blue line, slanting line up, see here. and then take a loop this way. Okay, this is E, isn't it? It is cursive letter E. Now keep your pencil over here and start. Slanting line up, take a loop. Slanting line up, take a loop, come down. Up, take a loop, come down. Up, take a loop, come down. And the loop should be from the outside this way and then come this way. Out and down. Slanting line up, take a loop, come down. Again, slanting line up, take a loop, come down. Okay. So, this is called as E pattern. Okay, write slowly. At first it will be difficult for you. But if you practice it every day till children, so it would be very easy and you will be having a very beautiful handwriting till the end of the line. Okay, so this is called as E pattern. Now the next pattern we are going to do is L pattern. Now L pattern we have to start from the second blue line, yes, and then touch the red line. See, I'll show you. This is the second blue line, right? Go slanting line up and touch the red line this way. And then come down, straight down this way. See. This is L, cursive letter L. Now again, take this tail. Okay. You can see this is the tail of the L. So, go from here, slanting line up, take a loop, come down, again up, take a loop, come down. Okay, so you have to touch the red line. You can see this red line? Yes. Slanting line up, take a loop and come down to the second blue line. Take a loop, come down. Again, slanting line up, take a loop and come down. Okay, so this is which pattern? L pattern. Very good. This is L pattern. Continuously we have to write. Do not lift your pencil and write very neatly. Okay. So till the end of the line. So this is pattern L. So how many patterns we have done till now? C pattern, A pattern, E pattern, L pattern. Now the next pattern which we are going to do is M pattern. Okay, M pattern. Now do you know to write M? Yes. Do you know to write M? Small cursive letter M? Yes. So this is M, right? See how many jumping lines are there? From here 1, 2, 3. Okay. So again, now keep your pencil again over here. Go up, slant. Okay. This 1, 2, 3. Understood? Then again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to jump. This is called as jumping line. Yeah. So this is called as jumping line. 1, 2, 3. Count and jump. So it will be easy for you. You can count and jump this way. Very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and curve. Oh, that looks like a caterpillar, isn't it? The caterpillar having many legs. It looks like that. So children, the main thing is do not lift your pencil until you finish. Okay? From the start till the end of the line, you should not lift your pencil. Now, the next pattern which we are going to write is, this is called as swing pattern. It is called as swing pattern. We also call it swing pattern or W pattern. Okay. So this is called as swing pattern. Now just carefully look over here. Now pay attention. See what we have done here. We have towards the downwards. It is downwards. Yes. The lines are coming down. They are coming down. Okay. Now we have to go upwards. Okay. We have to swing it upwards. How are we going to do that? Now keep your pencil on the blue line. This is your blue line. Yes. Now what you are going to do, these are the two blue lines, right? So go up, come down, up, come down, up. See, this way you are going to swing. Can you see that? How teacher is writing? Yes. Go swing. Okay, swing your pencil this way. Down, up. Come down, up. Swing up. Swing up. Yes, very good. Slowly, slowly you have to write. Okay. Don't do very fast. Okay. If you write slowly, you are able to write neatly. Okay. Very good. Very good. Come on. Yes. Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. Very good. Come on. Little bit more. Yes. Up. Come down and swing 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 up. Come down, 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 swing up and curve. Wow. See. Okay. So this is called as swing pattern or W pattern. Okay. Now these are the patterns. Now children, what we have done? C pattern, A pattern, E pattern, L pattern, M pattern and swing pattern. Children, remember that you have to practice this pattern every day. So, promise me that you are going to practice this every day. Okay, children? So, how was it? Wasn't it exciting? So, children, I want you to practice this every day. Until then, bye. And we will be meeting soon. Bye. Take care.